Hi, friend. Last time we learned how to write the printed letter A.
And today, we're going to learn the fancy tail wiggling cursive A. You can get the colouring page and practice sheets from the link under this video.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It makes Nordik's tail spin like a helicopter.
Hey, only when I'm happy.
Let's get started. Step 1. Start at the top line. Make a big curve down, like you're starting to draw the letter O. Now curve back up all the way to the top. Then make a straight line up to finish the point.
I call this the mountain climb part.
Step 2. Go straight down a little bit, then add a curly tail to the right. That's your fancy A tail.
Every fancy A needs a fancy tail, just like a husky.
Great job. You wrote a big cursive A.
Are you ready to write a small cursive letter A?
Step 1. Start in the middle. Make a small curve down, like you're drawing a tiny O.
Tiny like a baby donut.
Curve back up to the middle, then make a short straight line up. Step 2. Go down a little bit and finish with a teeny tiny tail to the right.
Tails again. Told ya, letters love tails.
Yay! You wrote a small cursive A.
High five or high paw.
Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next letter.
And hit that paw. I mean like button.
See you next time, friend. Big fluffy hugs from us.